Ethereum surpasses Bitcoin in spot trading volume for first time in 5 years, signaling major market shift. New York NY, in a landmark moment for the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, ETH, has officially overtaken Bitcoin, BTC, in spot trading volume on centralized exchanges, CEXs, for the first time in at least 5 years. According to data from market intelligence firm Kaiko, as of September 2025, Ethereum now commands the majority of the combined spot market share, a milestone that underscores a significant shift in investor focus and capital allocation. The data explained. The data compiled from leading global exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, reveals a clear and steady trend culminating in this historic flippening. Spot market share. As of September 2025, Ethereum's spot trading volume accounts for over 50% of the total volume when combined with Bitcoin. This means that for every dollar traded on the spot market between the two assets, more of it is now being used to buy and sell ETH than BTC. 5-year trend. The chart illustrates a gradual but persistent rise in Ethereum's market share since September 2020. While Bitcoin has historically dominated with a commanding lead, consistently holding well over 50% of the volume, Ethereum has been chipping away at that dominance. This recent crossover is not a sudden spike, but the result of a long-term shift in market dynamics. What is spot volume? Spot volume represents the total value of a cryptocurrency bought and sold for immediate settlement on the spot. It is a crucial indicator of genuine current market activity and investor interest, as it reflects direct ownership of the asset, unlike derivatives or futures markets, which trade on price speculation. Impact on the U.S. market. This development has profound implications for the U.S. market, influencing investors, regulators, and the financial industry at large. Shift in investor strategy and confidence. For U.S. investors, this data signals a growing confidence in the Ethereum ecosystem's utility and long-term potential beyond just being a store of value. The narrative is shifting from Bitcoin as digital gold to Ethereum as the foundational layer for a decentralized internet, Web3, powering sectors like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and corporate blockchain applications. This sustained increase in volume suggests that both retail and institutional investors in the U.S. are diversifying their portfolios and betting on Ethereum's technological growth. Influence on institutional adoption and financial products. U.S. financial institutions and asset managers closely monitor volume metrics as a proxy for liquidity and market maturity. With Ethereum now leading in spot activity, it strengthens the case for more sophisticated financial products. This event will likely accelerate demand and regulatory consideration for products like advanced ETH-based options, and will bolster the performance of existing spot ETH ETFs, making them more attractive to mainstream American investors. Heightened regulatory focus. An asset that surpasses Bitcoin in a key metric like spot volume will inevitably draw greater attention from U.S. regulators such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. The debate over whether ETH should be classified as a security or a commodity will intensify. Its dominance could force regulators to provide clearer guidelines, as its systemic importance to the digital asset ecosystem is now undeniable. This shift solidifies Ethereum as a cornerstone of the U.S. crypto market, on par with Bitcoin from a regulatory and market surveillance perspective.